nowadays, good parenting means someone has to post his Sengane wherever he loves or so that wherever, WhatsApp, whatever social network, there is enough platform, and it stands a good chance to convince as many people as possible that he's doing a good job. You know, Utoli award this, Utoli trophy that, birthday after this. This life does not exist. It's artificial. The whole thing. Do you know a band nowadays they're living inside their phone?
Exactly.
Now, he's inside it. His life is in there. About 80% to 90%, if I'm not mistaken, if I'm not exaggerating. It's a life that does not exist. It's not real, but it will have real implications on you as much as it is artificial. It is like cartoons. It's something that was drawn by somebody who was taught or who had talent. It's not real, but it will have real implications. Like a soap opera, like a sitcom. All of these things are artificial. All of these things are artificial, but they carry real impact. But picture this, I'm not favoring Utaban Babename Ghana responsibility.
Yeah.
Like a need. I'm not against that. And I'm not against that if a person is going to take full responsibility and can handle the task that comes with it. You know, it doesn't affect Ingani anyway. It doesn't affect your dignity or umawazo.
Yes.
But how have we come to a place where the family is about 4 people, if not 3? Mama ingane, or baba umama, ingane umfana intombazane, mhlambe umfana noma abafana babili. Artificial media. We have consumed this thing, we see it. Now our subconscious minds are telling us this is a norm. So when you imagine I want to start a family,
yes,
you don't go as far as asking yourself, what am I trying to achieve? Does it have a place and space in this terrain and environment? There's a lot that we don't ask ourselves until we get involved. Now, the guidance. From the relevant. So it's TV. Sitcom which has a family of a father, a mother, 1 kid, 2 kids, that's it. Now when you but my point is made. We need to get out of this obsessive, extreme consumption of media. Now we need to find a way because it's destroying us. You know, if it had 60% at least benefits versus like what, 40% negative implications. Well, but it's hugely unparalleled. Negative implications are 90. To the extent that they start destroying their family, they start destroying ourselves, they start destroying everything. Let's get, if we can use media as an instrument, not as a live, look at media as an instrument to drive forward our bottom line, our mission, our responsibility to our families, to our communities, to the world. I think ngabe senze into but now what happens is that what's supposed to be an instrument, we allow ourselves to drown in it. Everything that is happening outside of this instrument, we will not recognize until, if it's dangerous, we hit ourselves